Drawing by grids is the easiest way for beginners. If you want to learn it, watch this video. Hi, hope you're doing well. Drawing a face is difficult for beginners, but there is a super easy technique for doing that. You just need to grid your photo. It means draw some vertical and horizontal lines and use them as guide. I use GridArt app. There are similar apps in App Store and Google Play Store. First, upload your photo. Then, specify the number of vertical and horizontal lines. You can also change the color and opacity of grids. Then, draw these vertical and horizontal lines on the paper. Just zoom in and draw everything you see. For example, if the iris is in the center of a square, you should draw it right there. Thank you for watching this video. Enjoy drawing.